The first symptom I got was when I was driving. I was just coming to the end of a journey and all these flashing lights, like a fairground ride, were flashing around. I had headaches and I felt a little bit dizzy at times and I was just so tired. So I really thought that it to be a migraine or perimenopause or something like that. And then they came back and told me I'd got a brain lesion. I was really scared because I thought I was going to die because it was in my brain and it was aggressive. And I didn't know how they could fix it. And then when they told me it was blood cancer, I thought, how on earth can you get blood cancer out? Because that's everything in your blood. So I was extremely worried about my son and I cried a lot, but I had some hope because I asked if there was a clinical trial and luckily there was, and it was a complete lifeline. I had to get better. I'd got a 10-year-old at home, my husband and my mum, and my younger brother's got young onset dementia and I care for him too, so I was the first person to be on this trial.
There is a current treatment available at the moment, which is matrix chemotherapy, which is made up of four different drugs given over 5 days. It's very successful at treating the cancer, but unfortunately it's also quite toxic, and about 2/3 of patients will experience quite severe side effects, and in some cases that will stop them from receiving the full dose or from reaching the stem cell transplant at the end of the treatment. So what we want to find out in OptiMATe is whether if we slightly change the treatment given by making it less intense at the beginning and also fewer cycles in total, does that mean more patients can get to the end of stem cell transplant and therefore have a better chance of survival from the cancer?
The OptiMATe trial, to me, was literally hope. That I knew I could get better. I could tell my son, I can get better, so I told him, I can get better. It will just be a long journey. And I've done it. I'm going to be exercising for Stand Up to Cancer, and I really want to help raise funds to make sure that the treatments and the clinical trials that can be put in place can be improved and new trials can be made. Without the OptiMATe trial, I don't think I'd be here. It would be a very different situation, so I'm very thankful to Stand Up to Cancer and OptiMATe trial and everyone that's helped with the research. And research needs to continue, so please help with the funding.